Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ako nga pala si Valk and my content is about playing free-to-play, play-to-earn, and grind-to-earn games. So right now, I'm playing Rohan 2 and I'm at Silva03 playing as F2P and a solo player. Yes, free-to-play po ako guys and solo lang po. Wala po akong kasama sa guild and meron akong kasama mga alt ko lang. So right now, I'm going to share my progress in my 21st day playing this game. So, and right now also ngayon nga pala bibili rin ako ng ng first rare skill because yeah, napakahirap mag-ipon ng crowns. Lahat kasi ng crowns ko is ginagawa kong ruby. Last few weeks, ruby yan lahat. As you can see sa crown trade history. Yan, ruby yan lahat. Wala pong buy dyan. See? So, wala, hindi po ako bumibili ng crowns. Binibenta ko po lahat. So right now, gumana yung disiplina ko. I have 10M and I'm going to buy my first advanced rare skill. So let's go. So pinag-isipan ko na ito mabuti kung anong pibilhin ko. Of course, I'm going to buy this one, attack speed. Attack speed bibilhin ko guys. Kasi as you can see, wala po akong attack speed. I have an ancient but I don't have ancient lang mayroon ako. Wala po akong epic na pet. Wala rin akong epic na mount. See? So I'm going to buy I'm going to buy the skill na pampabilis tumira para naman makasali pa rin sa sa ranking sa pag world boss. So saan na 'yon? So skill here passive ba? Passive. My first skill. Passive. Here we go. Aray ko. Sakit. So, right now, I'm going to upgrade my skill. Scout. Passive. Yan. Attack speed, 10% increase. Bahala na guys. Aray ko. Nakpa ba? Tama. Yes. So magkano ba enhance? 80 lang. May fail. Oh. Attack speed by 11%. So that's it. Meron na akong first rare skill in playing this game. Yan. So happy because this is my first rare skill as an advance. See? Ilan na bang attack speed ko guys? Ano kita attack speed? Attack speed. Where I can see my attack. Ayan, attack speed. Attack speed 135%. So, not bad. Diba? As a free-to-play player. So, kaya ko pa yun i-upgrade because mura naman yung mga skill tome and I have alts na kinukuha ko lang sa guild. So, let's see if merong stock sa ating guild. Wala. So, yan. So, on day 21, my first rare advanced skill. And also, I'm going to share the progress of my gears. So, here, as free-to-play, meron pa lang akong isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, limang epic o limang ancient gear. So, not bad as a free-to-play player. So, paano ko ba nakuha yan? Di pa ako kumakaskas, guys. Ginagawa ko is, kaya nito, punta ko sa guild. Nilalagay ko yung mga item ko, kaya nito. Yung mga uncommon or yung mga common na mga gear, nilalagay ko sa guild and kinukuha yan ng mga alt ko, then kinukombine nila. So, except dito sa except sa mga magagandang stats. Yan, kinikip ko yung magagandang stats like this because I'm going to combine this and maganda kasi yung best kasi sa armor is yung reduce monster reduction. So you can see meron pa lang akong level 50 na na armor. Yan. So that's ganyan lang. Nilalagay ko sa guild. Hirap kasi kapag sumali ka ng ibang guild. Yun, hindi mo ma-monopolize yung guild storage kasi mag-aasa ka sa leader. Kung at saka kung wala kang permission, hindi ka makakakuha ng ng mga items sa gear. So right now here, ito yung mga stats ko. Attack. Siyempre attack sa mga monster and boss. I think I'm gonna upgrade this one. Boss muna. Yeah. So kasi guys, kahit ganito lang yung build ko, nakakasali ako sa top 30 sa world boss, yung dalawang boss lang. Pero yung mga matataas na boss, wala ng pag-asa. Kasi, kuya lang, mga kuya lang ang kayang mag-top doon. Siguro maybe later, I can, but it's hard. So, that's it. So, right now, I have 5 epic. So, siguro bukas, gagawin kong level 90 itong mga earrings ko. Kasi marami namang sapphire yung yung mga alt ko. Pang enchant. So, yan lang guys for this video. And right now, I'm level 78 and 79 KPS. Bukas, level ano na yan? Level 80, I guess. It's because napakalaki ng bigay ng XP dito guys sa dungeon. Here. Siguro, dalawang entry is around, tumatakbo rin siya ng 70%. So, 35 each. So, bukas, level 80 na ata. Hopefully. So, that's it in my 21st day of playing this game. Happy grinding, guys. Thank you.